love butterflies. I've been a butterfly nerd since I was a child and a member of the North American Butterfly Association as an adult. And in 2012, I was lucky to catch a lecture by Scott Hoffman Black, one of the authors of Gardening for Butterflies, about the efforts of the Xerxes Society to protect insect pollinators. Welcome to Book Talks, a series of videos brought to you by West Slope Library to help you find your next great read. I'm Taya Hart, and today I'd like to recommend Gardening for Butterflies by Scott Hoffman Black. Why recommend this book now at the end of the butterfly season? I was reminded of this book by an email sent out by Washington County Cooperative Library Services to help connect library patrons to great books. So we're looking at that email now. You can see it's the Home, Garden, and DIY issue from this month, September 2020. And I'm going to go back to that title, Gardening for Butterflies. So what's inside of this book? A thorough guide to why butterflies are in trouble, why they matter, and ways you can help. Details on butterfly and moth species. Information on nearly 120 pollinator-friendly plants. Thoughtful garden designs, tips on pest and weed control, and inspiring color photos. Would you like to receive reading suggestions by mail? Let me show you how. If we go to the Washington County Cooperative Library Services website, wccls.org, we can click on Services, Book Lists by Email, and see some of the different lists that are available to subscribe to. So under nonfiction, you can see Home, Garden, and DIY is a list that we can receive by email. If you enter your first name, last name, and email address, click I'm Not a Robot, and hit subscribe, you too could receive email suggestions of great books to read from the library. A small yard with just a few native plants can attract and sustain dozens of butterfly species. If you want to grab your butterfly binoculars next butterfly season, get started with your garden plans now. I hope you'll place your hold today if this sounds like the read for you.